Hi everyone and welcome to Pop's Art. Today we're diving into a Dutch pour with some beautiful, harmonious colors. This technique allows the colors to flow elegantly together, creating a unique and dynamic composition. I'm starting by spreading the black base on the canvas. This creates a stunning background that really makes the colors pop. Are you ready to get inspired? Now I'm pouring the colors one by one. I'm creating a pattern that looks like a bare tree, with two branches extending to each side. I'm starting with deep gold, which will add a beautiful glow to the final painting. Each color I add will contribute to the overall composition, and I'm excited to see how they blend together. Stick around. Now I'm pouring the ultramarine violet. This color is perfect for creating depth in the painting. Its rich dark tone adds a sense of depth and dimension, making the lighter colors really stand out. It contrasts beautifully with the warmer colors and helps create a lovely balance between warm and cool tones. Now I'm pouring white before adding the final color, permanent red purple. The white is important because it creates contrast and helps the other colors stand out more. It adds lightness to the painting, making the darker colors really pop and creating a stronger visual impact. I'm finishing with the final color, permanent red purple. This color adds a beautiful depth and intensity to the painting. The rich purple undertone in the red gives the painting an extra dimension and ties the other colors together, creating a harmonious and cohesive effect. Now I'm blowing the colors out, as you can see. I use this technique to spread the colors evenly across the canvas and create smooth transitions between the shades. It's an important part of the process as it gives the painting life and flow. I'm taking a brief pause here to step back and assess if anything needs adjusting. I think it's really important to do this during the process. It gives you a chance to evaluate the flow and make sure everything is coming together the way you want it. By the way, Have you noticed that I've tilted the camera a bit? With this angle, I feel like you can see more of what I'm doing and get a better view of the details in the process. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give the video a like. And if you feel like it, leave a heart in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Here's the dry result. After I've applied the varnish, and I think it should be hung vertically to really show off the design.